Are you worried about the safety of your home and loved ones? Choosing the right smart video doorbell can be overwhelming, especially with so many options available. In this video, we'll compare 5 top-rated models, highlighting their unique features and benefits. From high-definition video quality to advanced motion detection, each model has something special to offer. Stick around to find out which doorbell earned the top spot and why it might be the perfect choice for your home security needs. BOIFUN Video Doorbell. Camera so wireless, no subscription required, 2K HD, 166 degrees, wide view, HDR night vision, motion alerts, two-way audio and battery video, doorbell with chime, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. The BOIFUN Video Doorbell Camera is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly smart doorbell without the burden of a subscription fee. With its impressive 2K HD resolution and a wide 166-degree field of view, you can easily monitor your front door area with crystal-clear images, even at night thanks to HDR night vision. This model is particularly beneficial for homeowners who want to keep an eye on their property without the cost of ongoing service fees. One standout feature is the two-way audio functionality, allowing you to communicate directly with visitors or delivery personnel through your smartphone. The BOIFUN doorbell is also equipped with motion alerts, ensuring that you are notified whenever someone approaches, enhancing your home security. However, a minor drawback is that it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may pose challenges in areas with weak signals. Wireless Smart Video Doorbell, Intercom System, Wi-Fi 1080p Video Doorbell, Camera with monitor, video door phone with 7 and touch screen, motion detection, no subscription, APP control. The wireless smart video doorbell intercom system sets itself apart with its integrated 7-inch touchscreen monitor, making it ideal for users who prefer a physical display for real-time monitoring. With 1080p video quality and motion detection capabilities, you can easily see who is at your door without needing to check your smartphone constantly. This model is perfect for families or individuals who spend a lot of time at home and desire a more traditional intercom setup. The app control feature allows for streamlined operation even when you're away, ensuring that you never miss a visitor. Moreover, the absence of a subscription fee is a huge plus for long-term users. However, the reliance on a power source for the monitor might limit its placement options compared to completely wireless models. Tapo 2K Plus wired or battery-powered smart video, doorbell with chime, 180-degree, field of view, person vehicle package detection, ring call, two-way audio, subscription-free, local storage or optional cloud, D225. The Tapo 2K Plus Smart Video Doorbell excels in providing versatility with its dual power options, wired or battery-powered. With an expansive 180-degree field of view, this doorbell ensures that you can monitor a wider area than most competitors. It's particularly suitable for users who want advanced detection features, including person, vehicle, and package detection, which helps reduce false alerts. This is a fantastic choice for busy households that frequently receive deliveries. The two-way audio feature allows homeowners to interact with visitors seamlessly, while the subscription-free local storage provides peace of mind for those concerned about data privacy. On the downside, some users may find the initial setup a bit complicated, particularly with the wiring options. Tapo 2K Wireless Smart Video Doorbell with chime, 160-degree ultra-wide view, person detection, ring call, two-way audio, subscription-free, local storage, optional cloud, motion-only alert, D210. The Tapo 2K Wireless Smart Video Doorbell is designed for those who value flexibility and advanced monitoring features. It offers a remarkable 160-degree ultra-wide view, ensuring that you capture everything happening around your front porch. This doorbell boasts person detection capabilities, which can be particularly useful for busy families, as it helps minimize unnecessary alerts. The two-way audio feature allows for communication with visitors, enhancing convenience for package deliveries or unexpected guests. Furthermore, the subscription-free local storage option is a significant advantage for tech-savvy individuals concerned about security and privacy. However, while the motion-only alert feature is beneficial, some users may find that it requires a bit of tuning to avoid occasional false positives. Ring Battery Doorbell, home or business security with head-to-toe video, live view with two-way talk, and motion detection and alerts, satin nickel. Topping in our list is the Ring Battery Doorbell, a trusted choice in home security that combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use. This doorbell offers superior head-to-toe video quality, ensuring that nothing goes unseen. Ideal for homeowners and business owners alike, it features live view capabilities that let you monitor your property in real time. The two-way talk function enables direct communication with visitors, making it perfect for receiving deliveries or screening guests. The motion detection and alerts are highly responsive, providing peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Its sleek satin nickel finish also adds a touch of elegance to your entrance. While the battery life is generally commendable, users should be aware that heavy usage may require more frequent recharging. Overall, the Ring Battery Doorbell delivers exceptional value and performance, making it the best choice for comprehensive home security. In conclusion, choosing the right smart video doorbell can significantly enhance your home's security while providing convenience and peace of mind. Whether you prioritize video quality, power options, or advanced detection features, one of these 5 models is sure to meet your needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more about each product. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and comparisons.